Type the word strawberry, then ask an AI how many R's it has. Surprisingly often, it gets it wrong. To see why, watch what happens the instant you hit enter.
The reason is simple. An AI never really sees your letters. It sees tokens. Here is how your words get chopped up, turned into numbers, and read by the machine. Step 1. Split. The AI breaks your text into chunks called tokens. Not letters, not whole words, pieces. Common words stay whole. Rarer ones shatter into parts. How does it pick the pieces? It starts from single characters and repeatedly glues the most common pair together. Do that thousands of times and you get a vocabulary of word chunks. That is byte pair encoding. So a token can be a whole word, a word piece, a leading space, even a punctuation mark. On average, one token is about 4 characters of English. Step 2. Map. Every token has a fixed ID number from a dictionary the model was born with, often around 150,000 entries. The piece straw might be token 108,000. Step 3. Embed. Each ID becomes a long list of numbers, a vector. Think of it as coordinates for meaning. Tokens that mean similar things land close together in that space. And this is the key idea. From here on, the model only ever sees these numbers. Your actual letters are gone. It reasons about vectors, never about characters. Step 4. Decode. The model predicts the next token as an ID. Look that ID up in the same dictionary and you get text back. That is the word appearing on your screen. And it does this one token at a time. Predict a token, add it to the text, feed everything back in, predict the next. Token by token, your whole answer gets built. Now the mystery solves itself. Strawberry is just 2 tokens, straw and berry. The model never sees 3 separate R's, so counting them is genuinely hard for it. Tokens are also the meter. You pay per token and the model's memory limit is counted in tokens. English is efficient, but many other languages and code split into far more tokens for the same meaning. Same sentence, bigger bill. So that is tokenization. Split your text into chunks, map each chunk to a number, embed it as a vector, then decode the answer back, one token at a time. Letters in, tokens out. Next time an AI miscounts your R's, you will know exactly why.